Hello friends, welcome to Health and Gardening. In this video I am showing you how to grow potatoes in containers at home. Potatoes is a herbaceous annual plant that grows up to 100 cm tall. As the potato plant grows, its compound leaves manufacture starch that is transferred to the end of its underground stems or stolons. Potatoes plants can grow well in all sorts of climate, but it is important to note that potatoes prefer cool weather but not frosty. The best time of the year to plant potatoes is in the early spring with the temperatures of at least 45 Fahrenheit. After the cool weather is mostly finished and the soil temperature begin to rise. The stems thicken to form a few or as many as 20 tubers close to the soil surface. The number of tubers that actually reach maturity depends on available moisture and soil nutrients. Each tuber has 3 to as many as 10 buds arranged in a spiral pattern around its surface. Then these buds generate the shoots that grow into new plants. Alright friends, now let's see how to plant potatoes from its slices. Once you have your seeds potatoes, you can cut them into small pieces. Just make sure each piece has at least one eye or bud. Do this a couple of days before you plant your potato slices and letting the cut pieces sit for a while, which can help them seal and which can prevent rotting and diseases. Prepare the planting soil and container. The container should have at least depth of 15 to 20 inches. The ideal soil environment for your potatoes to grow includes soil mixed with compost and a combination of micronutrients. Potatoes consume nutrients such as nitrogen, potassium and phosphorus, and the soil pH is 5 to 6.5. Mix a fertilizer high in nitrogen with your soil. Plant your potatoes about 4 inches apart where the buds facing upwards and then cover them with potting soil. After planting the potato slices, water them and especially during flowering stage when they are producing tubers, and always avoid overwatering. As the plants emerge, mound the soil by pushing it up around the stem. Eventually, it will look as though you planted the buds in hills. Most varieties will mature within 90 days depending on potato variety you are growing. They will be ready to harvest anywhere from 70 to 100 days. At the end of the growing season, the plant's leaves and stem die down to the soil level and its new tubers detach from their stolons. Hill the potatoes every 1 to 2 weeks. Maintain even moisture throughout the growing process. 1 to 2 inches of water per week is ideal for potatoes plant. Alright friends, I am concluding this video. I hope this video is helpful to you and stay tuned for the result and harvesting time. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel for more updates and give your suggestion in comment box. Thank you. Potatoes.